Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. Today we will learn two ways to change chart colors based on specific value ranges in Microsoft Excel 365. In this tutorial, we are working with the regional sales data and our goal is to color each bar automatically based on its sales range. Let's get started. In the first method, we will split sales into series for dynamic colors by using if and AND functions. AND function returns true if all arguments are true and returns false if any argument is false. And if function returns one value if a condition is true and another value if it's false. To get started, first we need to create the chart with the existing data. Select the cell range from cell A4 to A14. Press and hold Ctrl key on your keyboard and select from cell C4 to F14. Release the Control key. This selects the categories and all values ranges, skipping the original sales column. Next, go to the Insert tab. In the Charts section, select Insert Column or Bar Chart dropdown. Under 2D column, select the first option, which is Clustered Column. Excel creates a chart for us. Now we need to separate the values into its predefined ranges. To do that, click on cell C5 and type this formula. Let me explain. The first argument of the if function is an AND function. Inside the AND function, the first argument checks if the value in B5, which is the sales value of the North region, is greater than or equal to the minimum value in cell C1. The second argument checks if cell B5 is less than or greater to the maximum value in cell C2. Together, the AND function returns true only if the sales value in B5 falls between the minimum and the maximum limits. The second argument of the if function is cell B5. This is the value that Excel will return if the condition is true. The third argument of if function is empty quotes. This tells Excel to return nothing if the condition is false. With that explained, press Enter and copy the formula by pulling down the autofill handle to C14. Then drag the fill handle horizontally from C14 to F14 to fill the rest of the columns. This creates separate columns for each value range across all regions. Finally, to give the chart a cleaner look, click on the chart title. Replace the chart title with a reasonable name. Let's name it Sales by Region. Just like that, we now have a column chart where each bar is colored based on its sales value range. Let's check out the second method. In the second method, we will use VBA, Visual Basic for Applications macro, to make each chart bar automatically take the colors of its source cell. Let's dive in. Before we begin, first ensure the Developer tab is visible. To do that, right-click on any tab and select Customize the Ribbon option. This opens up Excel Options dialog box. In the Customize Ribbon tab, on the right-hand side, scroll all the way down and check the Developer checkbox. Then click OK. As a result, the Developer tab should be visible now. Now let's head back to our dataset. First, we need to create a chart for the original data. Select the dataset from cell A1 to B5. Then go to the Insert tab. In the Charts section, select Insert Column or Bar Chart dropdown. In the 2D column, select Clustered Column. Excel has generated a chart for us. Now to color the bar chart, head to the Developer tab. In the Code section, select Visual Basic or press Alt plus F11. This opens up VBA Editor. At the top, select Insert and choose Module. This opens up a new module. In the module, type this code. Let's quickly break down the macro. The first line starts a macro and gives it a name. Moving on, the second line begins with a statement that points to the first data series in the chart named Chart1 on the sheet named VBA Macro Sheet. Here's a quick note. Change the VBA Macro Sheet to your own worksheet and Chart1 to your own chart name. Next, in line 3, a code is written to find the range of cells that the chart series is linked to by reading the formula behind that data series. Then, line 4 to 6 starts a loop. For each point in the chart, the macro looks at the matching cell in the range and sets that bar or point's fill color to match the cell's background color. After that, line 7 ends the width block. Finally, line 8 ends the macro. Now to run the macro, press F5 on your keyboard or click on the Run tab at the top and select Run Sub/User Form. And now close the VBA editor, and there you have it. The chart bars now exactly match the background colors of the source data cells. Completely done by VBA. That concludes our tutorial for today. 2 effective ways to change chart colors based on values in Excel. Get your workbook linked below. Visit excelinsider.com for more Excel and Google Sheet tutorials. Feel free to comment your questions and feedback. Thanks for watching.